Hello. Today I am doing something a little bit different. In that I'm not making something. It's not a stream. It's still not that different. It's music related. I'm going to be comparing vocal harmony plugins, specifically Waves Harmony and Waves Harmony and Antares Harmony ENgine. Now Waves Harmony just came out like 2 weeks ago, and Antares Harmony ENgine came out, I don't know, a billion years ago, longer ago than words. It came out a while ago. So the reason I'm doing this, there are a couple other videos that are comparing these, but the reason I'm doing it is because, and no shade to any of those creators that are doing that, no shade to them, but what they would do is they'll say like, here's how it sounds on Waves Harmony, and they'll like do one thing, and they'll be like, and here's how it sounds on Autotune Harmony ENgine or Antares Harmony ENgine, and then they'll do something completely different. It'll be the same vocal track, but they'll do completely different things, and I'm like, that I can't compare. I don't know. They're doing two different things. I can't like compare night and day. Like they're just you having them do two different things. So what I'm gonna do is have them do the exact same harmony, and we're just gonna see. You know, this is not with a lot of tweaking and tuning, just out of the box. We're gonna see what is going on. That's really what I'm gonna look at. But I'll make some other notes and comparison as we go. And you know, feel free to like the video and subscribe and hit the bell. Apparently that does something. Yeah, and if you want me to try doing some other plugin comparisons, I'll try. But we'll see. Let's move over. I don't have like a pause record button, so editor, which is also me, do that. I like how I can like switch these. Okay, so what we're gonna do, this microphone's just now in the way, it's not even being used anymore. We'll just slide that over, turn that down. So what I have here is a vocal. I'm gonna actually turn both these off. So I have Harmony ENgine, and then I have Waves Harmony. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn that off. Now this is a scratch vocal, so you're gonna hear a metronome in the back.
Letting go, acid burns. Letting go, turn by turn, read the past, turn the page, lessons learned. Letting go, acid to my soul.
So there's the raw vocal. So we're gonna use this MIDI out. This MIDI out plugin actually goes to both of these. They actually go to both Harmony ENgine and the Waves Harmony plugin. So we're gonna take here. We'll take this one. We'll take this MIDI out. We'll take the melody that I drew from this, and we'll just like slap it over here. And we'll just put it right here. Turn this on. So this might not be timed proper, but I'm gonna try to line it up. So how's this gonna sound? I don't know. This is just out of the box, just playing some MIDI notes. So neither of these may sound perfect, but we're gonna try. Hopefully this is set up right. If it's not set up right, well, hey, we get to learn together. So this is Harmony ENgine.
Letting go, acid burns. Letting go.
And then we'll play it in What am I talking about? Harmony.
letting go, acid burns. Letting go, turn by turn, read the past, turn the page, lessons learned.
Okay, so I took a look in the manual to see if I could switch it to like a monophonic type thing. So it's like, oh, instead of like just like, so I wanted to play one thing instead of bending. Actually, I can show you what I mean by that is here, I'll just show you with a I'll just show you like this. So when I play like hold a note like this, you hear how it's more than one note. So that's polyphony, right? But what I am looking for is a monophonic type thing. Some of you might know what this is, but I figured I'll explain it anyway. Let me see, where is it? I haven't used this plugin in a long time. Here it is. Here it says mono right here. And so what I mean is so I'm trying to get the vocal harmony to do that. So please correct me if I'm wrong. Like, this is not the I know everything video. Like, if it's like, oh, my lighting is going crazy, that's cool. The sun went away outside. If you are a pro at this, or if you just know how to do that with this plugin, be like, no, Dreamcore, you're wrong. You actually don't know what you're talking about. Actually, you just got to go in that option and click that button, and there it is. But I looked in the I looked in the instruction manual for like portamento or mono, and the word mono only shows up one time when it's talking about the generate notes thing, which is cool, but I'm trying to play the notes myself. So we'll do this with I'm going to mute this. I'm going to open up a new Harmony engine. Edison, get out of here. No one is even asking for your opinion. It's got, when I play it initially, it's gonna do its own thing. We don't want it to do any of that. So we're gonna set it to well, all right. First, we're going to set it to MIDI Omni. So what it's going to do, and I know this looks a little bit more complicated, but it's like a mixer, right? It looks complicated, but each one of these is just a voice. So, you know, with great power comes great responsibility. I don't know how that line fits in here, but it does. Trust me, I have a Mario hat in the background, I think. I don't know. Is it back there? I don't know. Anyways.
Letting go.
So, as you can see, it's not doing anything. So let me actually go map this to the port 1. That's not port 1. Port 1. And hear what it does.
Letting go. Acid burns.
It actually sounds a little bit even more wilder because all the voices are panned everywhere. Now, Waves Harmony can do 8 harmonies. Harmony Engine can only do 4. But, you know, that's it. So it's like, oh shoot, I mean, the results are kind of the same. They sound similar. Look, if I turn our main voice off.
Letting go. Acid burn. Letting go.
It's the same as this. We turn this off. Let's go ahead and disable that.
Letting go. Acid burn. Letting go.
And then there's, I can't right click to, oh, come on, man. So, sure.
Letting go. acid burn. Letting go, letting go.
Now I kind of like the way Waves harmony sounds a little bit more.
Letting go, letting go. Acid.
I don't know, something about it just sounds a little bit clearer and more precise to me.
Letting go, letting
This is Waves.
go. Acid burn. Letting go, letting go. Turn by turn, with the past, turn the page. Lessons learned. Letting go, letting go.
So that's that one, and then this is Harmony Engine. Where are you at? Get over here.
Letting go, letting go.
So it's like triggering random ones.
Letting go, letting go. Turn by turn, with the past, turn the page. Lessons learned.
I did hear some like weird formant issues on the other note, but I could probably tweak that. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know if I can tweak it. That's another thing. So with each of these voices, I know, which one is which. Like,
Letting go, letting go.
I can go and change them, but with these, because they're always in existence. But here in the in this one, in Waves Harmony,
Letting go,
they're there and they're not. I don't know which one.
letting go, letting go.
I don't know which one is which. I can't necessarily pick that out. Now I think it's like bound by the note or something. Maybe. Again, feel free to come in the comments. I do look at all my comments. All 4 of them. I look at them. But feel free to come in and be like, oh no, so you do it like this. I'm not a pro here. I'm not an expert. I'm just going, going like real world use cases. I do not profess to be I just like to use what works best for me. So there's that. There's that. But now let me show you the thing that changed the game, sort of. So we see in here, I actually don't know if you can actually see this menu. Can you see this menu? Can you see that menu? The answer is no. Wait, it's because it went away. I don't know if you can see this menu, but if we click on the MIDI Omni thing, we got a couple options. We've got the, how do you want it to receive chords? Do you want it fixed intervals? It's going to generate them. Scale intervals? It's going to generate them. Chord degrees? It's going to generate them. Chord name? It's going to generate them. Chords through MIDI? I don't know necessarily how that one works. MIDI Omni, which means it just reads everything from every MIDI channel and just, randomly assigns notes to voices. Now, but here's the one. MIDI channel. MIDI channel, we check that. MIDI channel, it assigns each voice. So we have 4 voices here plus the main one. We have like the main one here. We have the main one on the left, and then we have voice 1, 2, 3, 4. So MIDI channels 1, 2, 3, and 4 are mapped to each voice. Now, here's where it gets kind of cool. So if we listen, watch it like make me look like a fool and make me look like I don't know what I'm talking about, because it doesn't work. But if we listen,
Letting go, letting go. Acid burn. Letting go, letting go. Turn by turn, with the past, turn the page.
so it's like, it sounds a little like, it's not perfect, but it's like, oh, we got our portamento now. We got our portamento, so you could basically like build your own melody if you wanted to, like, and we have all of our like little controls here. We got our
Letting go, letting
we got our
go.
pan.
Acid
We can vibrato,
letting go, letting
delay,
go.
pitch them out.
Turn by turn, with the
Whoa,
past,
it's
turn
kind
the
of wild.
page.
I'm gonna come back over here to this one. So in this one here, we have these. We have this. This is all in one thing. these are all blue. These are all different colors because I was trying to map them in different MIDI channels, but it didn't end up working. So this one, this is here. We're gonna do this, and we're gonna turn that off. Bop bop. And now we'll see. We're gonna come over here, and I'm gonna turn these on one by one. And
letting go, letting go.
so that's the first one, right? And then we have our second one. We'll watch them.
Letting go, letting go. Acid burns. Letting go, letting go. Turn my turn with the past, turn the page. Lessons learned. Letting go, letting go. Acid to my soul.
No, that's kind of it's like the robot orchestra. It's like the robot orchestra. But and then we'll turn the main one back on.
Letting go, letting go. Acid burns.
And you could turn the rest of these down.
Letting go. Turn by turn with the past, turn the page. Lessons learned. Letting go, letting go. Acid to my soul.
So that's what you're able to do with that one. Now, I made the same thing in Waves Harmony, but I had to put all the notes in one piano roll. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to do it. So here's what we got. Here's what we got. Now, this is out of the box. Remember, this is out of the box. Now, I did not see an option to, like I said, I did not see an option to do the portamento thing. So I just kind of just did what, I just kind of did it. So harmony, stereo.
Letting go, acid burns. Letting go, turn by turn with the past, turn the page. Lessons learned. Letting go, acid to my.
So, all right. My OCD said that I had to say this all, otherwise I'd be up all night. So, as you heard, there are some wrong notes in there, but I'm telling you, it's the same. It's the same thing. So let's go isolate that. Let's go isolate. Let me see which one it is. Hold on. Let me just go back over here to figure out which one. Well, maybe I don't have to. Which one is the lowest one? It's this one. All right. So we'll take this one. Actually, no, we have to paste it up here in channel 1. So we're going to take that and we're going to come over here, pop that right here. Now, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to listen to it in Waves Harmony.
Letting go, acid burns. Letting go. Turn with the past, the page, lessons learned. Letting go, letting go. Acid burns.
So I don't know why I don't have it snapped to a scale, because you can see that's turned off. Maybe I'm doing something still wrong. Please correct me if I'm like, oh no, you had the another thing snap, but you see the generate notes isn't there. It's not there. None of that's there. Now let me go to my. Now it's saying that. Oh geez, it's saying that note is a C. So I'm gonna go. All right, so that actually is the right note. So am I playing the wrong note in here? Hold on.
Letting go.
All right, so this note is let's try this.
Letting go. Say God.
What? Hold on. Okay. Bam. Hold on. Open piano roll here. All right, so that's supposed to be C sharp. Now let's try this. Da.
Letting go. Say God. Letting go.
All right, so let's just move all these notes up for whatever reason that.
Letting go. Say God. Letting go.
Why is this like?
Letting go. Say God.
Wait, what? Let's try this. All right, pull that like that.
Letting go.
I'm gonna switch this like this.
Letting go. Say God. Letting go.
Wait, what? Hold on. Oh, it's getting stuck on this. What? Wait a minute. What? That's so strange, actually. Okay, so then my question becomes, why is it that in Harmony Engine does the note snap? Is there like some note snapping going on? No. So then what? I don't know. Okay. Let's try this.
Turn by turn, read the past, turn the page. Turn by turn, read the past, turn by.
All right, so we're going to turn by turn the main vocal off. For a second. Mute. No. Mute. And we are also going to turn by turn this one up. Rid the right? All right. Well, that's slightly off time because the pattern isn't in the right spot. So let's evaluate again. So my question is, how do I the format. Okay. So wait, how do I well, this is the main one, but how do I change the format, right? Of so why are these notes different?
Letting go.
Wait, what? Here's how we can check what's real, what's actually being played and what's being pitched. So we're gonna
Letting go. Letting go.
wait a minute. So this. It doesn't. Okay, so this is what? So it's not following that, I guess. Okay. Let's see what Harmony Engine's doing. Like, can we turn you up? Can we like turn you? How come you were like so quiet? Can we like get you like louder? Is that like amp amount? So it looks like so pew 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 pew. And the other one's going. So why is it like not do? Why? Hold on. What? What? Huh? What? Okay, so why are you not moving? What? Move! Move to the... Okay, hold on. Hold on. Can you move, please? And how do I change your formant? How do I... Can I, like, catch you? No. Don't do that. Alright, there's got to be a way to catch it. Alright. Oh, maybe it's like this... Alright, so, hold on. Alright, there you go. It's like blue notes. Alright, okay. Maybe it's because it's like the very end of the... I don't know. Now, all this being said, I think that... Here, we'll take I think is this the high one? Where's like the really high one? Let's take this one. We'll take this one here, and then we'll do we'll paste that. Wait a minute, no. We'll paste this one, and we'll see what happens. So that seems to be following pretty good. It does pretty good on the high notes. Let's see how this one does. Much quieter. Is it quieter because I made it quieter? Let me see. So they do both pretty good. I guess it's down to it's really going to come down to preference. So we're going to play these both. I'm going to play everything again.
Letting go, as it burns. Letting go. Turn by turn, read the past, turn the page.
So I don't know why some of those notes are wrong. Some of it was my fault, and some of it was I don't know. But when you do it in Harmony Engine, again, there's no scale matching because when you're playing it, it's just like, what are those? Just play whatever you're gonna play. Oh gosh, why are you? What? Huh? What is going on? Why did you? Oh, turn you guys down and then turn you down.
Letting go, letting go. Acid burn. Letting go, letting
Oh, there is actually a wrong note in here.
acid burn.
Let's see.
Letting go, letting go. Acid burn.
We gotta move these up. Bop.
Letting go, letting go. Acid burns. Letting go, letting go. Turn by turn with the past, turn the page.
And then we got some other stuff in here we can do.
Letting go, letting go.
Acid burns. Letting go, letting go. Turn by turn, read the past, turn the page. Lessons learned. Letting go, letting go. Acid to
So, it's all that stuff, and I know this stuff you can do in Harmony too. Waves Harmony as well, but then you can just do choruses and all that. You can hear how that sounds in other videos if you want to do all that stuff.
letting go. Acid burns. Letting go. Turn by turn, read the past, turn the page. Lessons learned. Letting go. Acid to my soul.
So that's a really extreme example because if you're trying to get really natural sounding harmonies, you probably wouldn't have them go that high. But
Letting go.
where's my high one?
Letting go. Acid burn. Go. Turn by turn, read the past, turn the page. Lessons learned.
You might turn that one down a little bit.
Letting go. Acid to my.
So as harmony plugins go, it's gonna be there's gonna be a bit of synth stuff in there. We'll just do this one more.
Letting go. Acid burns. Letting go. Turn by turn, read the past, turn the page. Lessons learned. Letting go.
I really like the presence of Waves Harmony, where this one
Letting go.
it's a lot more subtle. Let's see if we can kind of recreate that.
Letting go. Acid burns. Letting go.
Can we turn?
Letting go. Acid burns. Letting go. Turn by turn, read the past, turn the page. Lessons learned. Letting go. Acid to my soul.
Okay. So yeah, my verdict. I mean, you can kind of decide for yourself which is better. I really did try to do the exact same thing with them, on both ends to the best of my ability. Now, if I'm sure there's some ways you can improve it, whatever. But my thought is that Antares still wins. Now, granted, Waves Harmony ENgine is I don't know if the tail's still going. I don't know if the cell's still going. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, whoops. That's not. Now, as of right now, Waves Harmony is $39. Okay. Antares' Harmony engine. That is that's not $39. That's $289. So, you know, you're paying a good deal. You're paying a good deal more. You're paying a good deal more for Harmony engine. But I mean, you get what you pay for. You get what you pay for. And Waves Harmony engine does have some really cool presets, and it's got some nice intuitive controls. A bit more intuitive than Harmony engine. Waves Harmony engine. That is, I'm gonna say like Waves Harmony engine one day. I've already said it. So, you know, that's what that is. So, you can make your choice. But you know, Auto-Tune's got that. Antares has got that. Auto-Tune Unlimited something. So you could pay like $169 a year and get all of it. You can get all their stuff on a subscription. I prefer Harmony engine. I'm probably going to end up using that. Just myself. I prefer Harmony engine. But if Wave Harmony works and you're like, yeah, Harmony engine sounds a little bit better, but I'm cool with Waves Harmony actually. Waves Harmony is cool. Like, I'm good with that. Then great. Like, great. But I get picky. I'm like, no, I need my Portamento. I want all of the control. Then I'm probably gonna go with the other one. Same goes for Auto-Tune. That's another comparison video of sorts. I'm sure that I know some people have done that, but I'm probably gonna do one of those anyway. I have a whole rant about the way Auto-Tune's graph mode works. I freaking hate it. I hate it. The zoom. Anyways, that's another video that'll have a rant in there. But this video's gone long enough. Let's see. 35 minutes. It's probably going to be edited down, hopefully. But kind of wanted to really go through, like, you know, really sit down and go through with it. Go through it. So yeah. That's that. Until next time, you know, again, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell. Like I said, apparently that does something for someone, and for me probably. But yeah. That's it. Dreamcore out.